is Anna again, and today I'm back with a new hip-hop tutorial. But before we start, I want to wish you everyone a happy new year with many achievements, happiness, health and hard work. May this year be yours and I hope your dreams come true. Today I'm gonna teach you my new hip-hop routine to the song Kygo Happy Now. This choreo is a beginner level so everyone can learn it, and this is a pretty fun choreography, so I hope you like it. Don't forget that you can find me on Instagram, AnnaDNCR, and I hope that I'm gonna see lots of videos from you guys. But before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because lots of videos are on the way and also tutorials, and this year is gonna be crazy. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe. This routine starts on 8. Your legs go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and your hands go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So now let's put them together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now on the 5 you step forward in cross to your right and your hands come in cross. Then you step back, your hands come up, but at the same time your legs go to the left side. So you're here, you step back, pump. I call the next move the airplane because it's like an airplane, you know, you go to the right and to the left. And at the same time when you go to the right, you open your right knee and you close him up. Again from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Airplane, ha, ha. Then your right hand come to your mouth and the left hand come also to your mouth. Then you come up and you make a circle with your head. Boom! Hey. From here, your right hand come to the right up and the left to the left up. Then your hands come down and your knee come in cross. Then you open and you're gonna jump. Hey, but this jump I wanna see it with a lot of energy. So you're here, you open and boom, hey. While you jump, you're gonna make a body wave. So from down, up. So you're here, you open, you jump and your body rolls up. So let's get it back from here. Cross, you step back, you come up, airplane, ha, ha, hand, hand, up, circle, hey, hand, hand, down in cross, you open and jump and roll the body. If you don't know how a body wave works, I'm gonna put a tutorial there anywhere and go there, learn it and then come back and let's get move forward. So the next move is a really fun move because it's like salsa style. You go 1 and 2. So only 2 steps because Kygo sings the step by step and you're gonna make step by step. And your hands go, you begin with the right, 1 and 2, and you end up with the right. So from here you're gonna make 2 steps, 1 and 2, and your hands go, 1 and 2. And from here you're gonna do also 2 steps, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So you just move your knee. So, and your hands go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's get it back from the salsa move. You go 5, 6, 7, 8. Step by step. You step 1, you step back, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And I want that you look to your hands. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here you step back, you take it, boom, and with your right hand you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So this is a little bit tricky, but it's not impossible. So from here, from the steps, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You step back and take it, bring it back, then right, left, bring it in, bring it out. From here you're gonna push yourself down. It looks like so. Boom, and you're gonna make a circle and boom, circle, ha, 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 3 times. So here you can make however you want. You can make boom, 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 hey, ha, ha, 1, 2, 3. So here you can make a little bit freestyle and you can make whatever you want. So this was the first part. Let's get it from the very, very top, slowly, step by step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step forward, back, airplane, ha, ha, mouth, mouth, circle, hey. Right, left, bring it in, bring it out, jump, cross, step by step, and 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step. Take it, right, left, bring it in, bring it again out and push. And 1 and 2 and boom, 1 and 2 and boom, boom, boom. If you need more practice, replay it back and practice it and then come back to learn the part 2. So you already did the boom, hey. Then from here you go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So your hands go whoop, so like whoop. Here you're gonna step and with your left leg you're gonna make 1 and 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then from here you're gonna wave your left hand, whoop, hey, and you come in this position. Then your knee go to the left, to the right and to the left. And your hand go to the right, to the left and to the right. And your hand go boom, boom, boom. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then from here you're gonna make a body wave, but from up, down, whoop, hey, and you go whoop, hey, sa, sa, sa. Then from here you jump on the left leg and you hit the right hand. So, boom, hey. Here you're gonna step forward, so your hands go whoop, hey, and ha, ha. So your legs go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Practice this many times till you get it, because on the music it's a little bit quick. Then you're gonna jump 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I think everybody knows this move, so it's easy. Then from here you're gonna step to the right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And from here you're gonna jump 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Your hands 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So to the first jump, your right hand come in front of the left. So boom and pam, pam. And to the second one, your left go in front of the right. And this move, first you have to jump to the left. So 1 and your right come in front of you. Then you kick on the right and the left come back. Jump, kick, boom. Jump, boom, boom. And the same thing to the second jump. So whoop, kick, back. Whoop, kick, back. Whoop, kick, back. So let's try it again, but with the hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, kick, hands. Jump, kick, hands. Then from here you're gonna step back and you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then from here you're gonna throw your legs, whoop and whoop, come up, down. So let's get it back from throwing your legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. Throw it, come up, and your hands come also up, you go down, you cross your hands and your legs come like a ballerina and you close them up. You step back and you come up with your body. Then you come back and your left hand come up and the right go down. And from here you go boom, boom. And from here you're gonna do a pirouette, boom. And you're done. You made it. Woo! So let's get it back from the section 2. So this is this, boom, 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 boom. And then we're gonna take the wall dance again from the very, very top. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Boom, hey. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Wave and boom, hey. 1, 2, 3. Jump, hey. 1 and 2 and jump, 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 jump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Through it, up, ha, boom, hey, ha, ha, ta, ta, and a period. And this is the section 2. First we're gonna take all the steps slowly and then quicklier. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6. Airplane, boom, hey. Mouth, mouth, circle, hey. Whoop, whoop, in, out, jump, whoop, whoop. And step by step and step back. Step again and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Take it, ha, ha, in, out, push, freestyle, boom, hey, hey, 1 and 2, whoop, 1 and 2 and 3, wave it, ha, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, wave, whoop, down, bam, 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 jump, hey, and 1 and 2 and ha, ha, boom, hey, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, bam, 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 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, through your legs, up, down, ballerina, out, up, whoop, ta, ta, spirit, and let's get to quickly. So from the top again, but a little bit quicker. So 5. Are you ready? Are you ready? Of course you are. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Ta ta whoop, hey, whoop, hey, ha ha boom boom boom, hey, sa sa and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and take it, boom boom in a ooh, ha woo, ha ha ha, 1, ta ta ta, waving, ha, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, wave, whoop, hey, ta ta ta, woo, hey, and 1, and 2, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, ha, ha ha, boom boom, hey, ta ta ta, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, ha 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 ha, boom boom, ha ha ta ta, period, and you're done and free is style. You can do whatever you want. Woo! You made it! If you need more practice, go back, learn it, practice it, and then make a video and post it on Instagram, and also tag me on AnnaDNCR so I can see it, and also repost it because I'm gonna repost all of them. I challenge you to do it. Thank you so much for watching this till the end, and I hope you had fun with me. If you make a video, how I said, this is the 3rd time. Don't forget to tag me on social media. You can find me on Instagram AnnaDNCR, on Twitter AnnaDNCR, and of course on Snapchat if you have Anna Maria Lavi. I thank you again for all the support and all the love, guys, I get from you, and this means so much to me. If you're done and have learned it, I'm gonna put the original video here everywhere, I don't know, and you can go there, see the counts and the original music and how I dance on it, make a video how I said I challenge you to do a video, and then post it on social media and tag me, and I hope I'm gonna see some covers from you guys. Thank you again, I'm Anna, I'm out, and see you next time with another video and maybe tutorial. Bye!